Well, we made a start on the TT 500. As you can see, I put the tank on just to give me some encouragement, nothing else. I thought I'd give you a quick look. And rather than a photograph, I thought I'd put a little video here. As you can see, we've started work on the engine. Starting to look pretty good now. As it's drying out, it's starting to go matte, which is what I wanted. Having a glossy frame, it'll look nice with a matte engine. And we're getting there slowly. As you can see, all the bits are all over the bench. But hey, we're getting there. And there's the original tank with the dents in, which is just not going to look right on this bike when it's done. Well, here we go. Lovely, windy, rough, rainy afternoon. So what better thing to do? Work on a motorbike. This is a Yamaha TT 500 Enduro that started about a week ago, where we dismantled it, blasted the frame off, blasted everything off, recoated everything. It was in a very poor state. It's now coming back together slowly. What I've introduced myself as, it's one of the things I very rarely do. I'm not so keen on people knowing who I am. I'd rather just get on with my job and not be minded. But anyway, there you go. We're about 2/3 of the way through the rebuild. The wheels have gone off for repolishing, respoking, brilliant, but look absolutely mint. The two guys I used, for the rebuilding of the wheels, I used Sid's wheels in Eccleshall. And for me polishing, I use a guy in Crewe that is just unbelievable. Musty's one of the best polishers I've ever known. So, all my polishing goes to him. As you can see, the bike's coming on pretty well. I'm getting to that point now that I'm going to be waiting for the forks to come back from the polisher. I'm waiting for the wheels to come back from the polisher. The tank we're replacing because there's too many dents in it. But slowly I'll rebuild it. I don't rush, and I know some people say, oh, it's only 2 days work or 3 days work or whatever. I couldn't care less. I don't care if you can do it in 2 minutes. I do it in my time. That's not good enough. There's other places to go. I work at my pace and nobody else's. But as you can see, the quality of that is absolutely fantastic. So for now, I'll get on with it and I'll get back to you in a bit.